Okay, students, once again, welcome back with another concept over the concept of similarity of triangle. And here I am going to discuss an important theorem called basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Basic proportional theorem or Thales theorem. Okay, and based on the concept of similarity of triangle. And here let me discuss for you, and this is one of the most important theorem and frequently used to come in the CBSE paper for you, and also it has many application in various solving the various problem and also to verify the different geometrical statement on the same concept of the similarity of triangle. Okay, let's see. And here is this statement in front of you, and you can see now here the statement is that a line drawn parallel to one side of triangle intersect other two sides in the same ratio. A line drawn parallel to one side of triangle. It means we have to draw a triangle. A triangle is given. We have to draw a line in such a manner that and this line must be parallel to one side of triangle. Okay, and it means these two lines, when it's drawn parallel to one side of triangle, it will intersect other two sides at two different points. Okay, and it will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. And okay, and here you see, and let us see now, here in front of you see the ABC is a triangle and the line L is drawn parallel to BC, which intersect the line segment AB at the point D and AC at the point E. Okay, and the line L divides AB at the point into two parts. One part is AD, other part is BD. Similarly, the line L divides the line segment AC at the point D into two parts. One part is AE, other part is CE. Okay, and we have to prove that these part AD, BD and AE and CE, the part AD and BD, okay, AE part and CE part are proportional to each other. Okay, it means the line L intersect AB and AC, the other two sides of triangle in the same ratio. It means we have to prove that the AD divided by BD must be equal to AE divided by CE. Okay, let's write what is given in the statement. What is given in the statement? Let us write. So what is given? Now in the triangle ABC, the line D, the line L, the line L, okay, intersect the line L is drawn, is parallel to the side BC, okay, which intersect and the line it intersect the line L intersect AB at the point D, understand, and AC at the point E. To prove, we have to prove that, okay, then AD upon BD is equal to AE upon C that you have to prove. Okay, let us do the construction. This we have to prove. For that we need this required construction. What is the construction is that? And you have to join the CD and BE. CD and BE are joined. Again, the EM perpendicular to AB is drawn and DN perpendicular to AC is drawn. Okay, let us write CD and BE are joined or drawn. Again, EM perpendicular to AB is drawn. It is the construction, and DN perpendicular to AC is drawn. This is the required construction for the theorem that we are going to prove. Okay, understand? So this is the given. what is given in the statement, what to prove, and what is the construction for the given statement. Okay. Okay, let's prove how to prove it. How to prove it. Let's see how to prove it. Okay. Now let's see. Student, you see, and are you able to see the triangle ADE triangle? Triangle ADE, and you see EM is the perpendicular. As per the construction, EM perpendicular to AB. It means EM is also perpendicular to AD. It means EM is the height and AD is the base of the triangle ADE. So understand? So in the triangle ADE, if AD is the base, EM is the height. Okay. So area of triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE is equal to half into base into height. Okay. And area of triangle ADE, you can see now 1 by 2 here, base is AD and height is EM. Okay, height is EM. Similarly, find another triangle. Let's see, BDE triangle. In this triangle BDE, you see now. Okay, let's see. In the triangle BDE, in triangle BDE. Okay, and BDE angle is the obtuse angle, and the EM is must be the altitude, and BD is the on the produced side BD. Okay, and BD is the base. So area of triangle BDE, area of triangle BDE, area of triangle BDE is equal to half into base BD into height. What is the height? EM. Height is EM, right? So let us find the ratio. Area of the triangle ADE is equal to half AD into EM, and area of triangle BD is equal to 1 by 2 BD into EM. Let us find the ratio. Now area of triangle ADE and area of triangle BDE. Okay, area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE. You will divide it 1 by 2 to cancel. Let us write down 1 by 2 AD into EM and 1 by 2 into BD into EM. Okay, now you see now. Okay, you see 1 by 2 is cancel. 1 by 2 is cancel. EM is cancel. It is remaining AD by BD. So area of triangle ADE, okay, divided by area of triangle BDE is equal to what we are getting? AD by BD. AD by BD. Okay, this is clear. Understand? Okay. So first what we got, this is the relationship between the area of triangle ADE and area of triangle BDE we got. Okay. Understand? Similarly, you will see if dn is taken as the altitude, A will be the height. If dn is taken as the height and A is considered as the base. Okay? You get this angle 90 degree. Understand? So area of triangle AD is equal to here A is the base, dn is the height. Similarly, in the triangle CD will be the base and dn is the altitude on the side produced on C. Okay? Understand? Let us write in similar manner. Okay? All of you understood? Okay? Let's see. Now you see the area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle, which triangle? CDE is equal to, similarly we can prove area of triangle AD is equal to half into, if dn is the height, A is the base, so A into dn. Similarly 1 by 2 area of triangle CDE, if C is the base, dn is the height, so CE into dn. Okay, understand? Now area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CDE is equal to, you look at here, now you can cancel 1 by 2, 1 by 2 can be cancelled. Here 1 by 2, 1 by cancel, and d and dn cancel. It will be AE upon CE. This is the equation number 2. So we got equation 1 and 2. Area of triangle ADE and area of triangle BDE is equal to AD by BD, and area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CD is equal to what? AE by C. Okay, understand? So what you got here? Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE, we got AD upon BD from the equation 1, and second equation we got area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CDE is equal to how much? It is equal to AE upon C, AE upon C, AE upon E upon C. Okay, understand? Okay. Now let us see. Okay, so let's find out another concept is there, and you see here carefully. You see here carefully, and you are looking here. Once again, see the triangle BDE and triangle CDE, the triangle same base DE. You see the triangle again. It is observed that the triangle BDE and triangle CDE, okay, have the same base DE, have the same base, or lie on the same base DE, same base DE, the same base DE, and they lie between two parallel lines, okay, BC and DE, yes or no? So according to the concept of previous class, we know if the two triangles lie on the same base and within the two parallel lines, okay, then the area of the two triangles will be equal. It means the area of triangle BDE must be equal to area of triangle CDE. Understand or not? Okay, now see in the equation 1 and 2. We already got equation 1 and equation 2. In this equation, and this is suppose equation number 3 we got. Third one we got. Okay, now see from the equation 1. What you are getting? Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. Is it clear? Is equal to area of triangle ADE divided by, okay, area of triangle BDE in place of area of triangle BDE we can write area of triangle CDE. Okay, so since already it is proved that area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE, so this area of triangle BDE must be equal to area of triangle CDE. Okay, so that implies, you see the area of triangle AD by area of triangle BDE is already, I find already AD by BD, right? So that implies AD by BD is equal to, and area of triangle AD by area of triangle CD is equal to AE by C. Okay, so thus this is what we want to prove. Okay, as per the requirement, as per the axing part, and it already proved, already see that, okay, AD by BD is equal to A by C. So this is the proved. We proved this statement, the given statement is proved. Okay, thus it is clear that if a line intersect, if a line drawn parallel to one side of triangle always intersect the other two sides in the same ratio. Okay students, and here this theorem you already, you have to practice it and you have to follow it. Okay, understand? So I hope, and you will practice again and again, and you will apply how to solve the different kind of problems, and also the other properties, the various geometrical statement of the similarity can be proved with the help of the basic proportional theorem or the Thales theorem. Okay, so thank you with this. Thank you. See you again. Okay, I hope, and you will practice it. Okay, see you. Bye once again. See you next.